Hi guys, it's Hipster Rebel here, back with another video. So today I will be announcing my first giveaway winner at the end of this video, so be sure to stay tuned. This video is about 10 hidden things in Animal Jam that you should notice. So the first hidden thing is this like maroon fuchsia color. To get that, all you have to do is first click and first you have to zoom to 110%. Then you have to click at the very corner of this color. Then click at the very up of that color. Then click here, and there you have it. Another maroon color. So yeah, this is the first thing. The second hidden thing is that you can sit in a pathway and also in a doorway. So to do that, you have to change your animal and run in the doorway. Well, this isn't actually a great example. Sorry, I'll reply to her.
Don't ever say you're lonely.
The third hidden thing is that you can wear off the mud by going in water like this. First you get all muddy, then you go in water and it wears off.
Just lay your problems on me and I'll be.
Another hidden thing in Animal Jam is that you can make rainbow potions. You do 3 of each color. You click 3 times on the flame, choose your bottle, and voila! You have your own rainbow potion.
Waiting there for you.
You may have not noticed about this hidden thing, but in Temple Zios, if you zoom right here, right there is an elephant statue.
The stars can be so blinding when you get tired.
A hidden pathway that you probably didn't know about is the Canyons Pathway. It leads from Crystal Sands to Coral Canyons. It's a shortcut, and there you are.
Fighting, you know the one you can look.
Another unknown fact you probably didn't know about the Canyons Pathway is that while there, you can light up the torches by clicking on them. If you change your animal and keep walking on the pathway to Serapis Forest, voila! You can sit on the bridge without going there. The 9th hidden glitch that you don't notice in Animal Jam is that when you open your buddy list, the bear's mouth is open. See? Now close, now open, now close, now open, now close. Wow,
you don't have to worry, I'll be alright.
The last but not least glitch is that you can make phantom cotton candy. All you have to do is first force pick a cone, then do a layer of black cotton candy, then click the white layer, then another black layer. Then you wait for it, there. Voila! Whatever. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I guess it's time for me to announce the first giveaway winner. The first giveaway winner is drumroll. Good dog! Yeah, so I know that she's my sister, but yeah, I want you to know that I'm not playing favorites because she's the only one that commented, and you have Sally. I only have had one comment about the giveaway, but it's okay, there will be more. So yeah, she's the only one that commented, and she's the one that I'll be giving this green Gecko plushie. Let me show it to you. I'll be giving her this green Gecko plushie. Yes, it's a beta, and this should be getting that. I will be doing another video tomorrow, and maybe, hopefully, live stream next week. That's all for today, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe and leave a like, thumbs up to this video. Bye!
Where are you now?